Hi guys, it's Victoria here, and be very welcome to this video review about the EchoXen. I know that many of you have questions about this supplement, so I'm here today to clarify this question, answer your questions like what it is, what it does, really works, but also share with you an important alert that you must know before actually purchase it, then stick until the end of this video. But I already left the link for the official website down below. Manufacturer's official website in the description below in case you need it after watching here. Well, guys, EchoXen is something different from anything you have ever seen in your whole life. Well, this supplement was actually designed to help people who struggle with hearing problems. Sometimes because of aging or because of genetics, who struggle with hearing loss, or that buzzing on your ear, that the tinnitus, we call it tinnitus, that won't seem to go away for anything in the world. And if you go to the doctor, he will just prescribe you hearing aids to use that will not solve your problem. It will actually be just like a mask, right? But EchoXen is different. This product is completely natural, first of all, so it stands out first because of that. There's no chemical inside of the formula, so you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions. It's just a very powerful blend of organic and natural ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, essential nutrients, minerals, proteins, and it will actually do the process and help you to get your hearing back. So it will first cleanse your ears from toxins because along the ears, it's pretty common that we accumulate these toxins and it can harm our hearing. So it will cleanse it, and it will also reestablish the connection between our ear and brain. So finally, guys, you can hear with clarity or enjoy silence with no buzzing. And thousands of people have been seeing these amazing results with the EchoXen. So yes, it really works with no contradictions, no side effects. It's super easy to use it. It's easy to put in your daily routine. All right. And there's even a money-back guarantee that protects you in case you don't see results. So you will literally have nothing to lose here. However, like I said in the beginning of this video, I have an alert to share about it, which is where you're going to get it from. There are a lot of places claiming to sell it, but the actual product is only available to purchase on the manufacturer's official website, which I've left the link just below in the description of my video. Guys, seriously, this is the only place you can get it, okay? Nowhere else. So be careful to avoid buying a product that it's not the original one. So now that I'm finished watching this video, you know how worth it is to buy it, to try it. Go now to check some more and also buy the 3-bottle kit or 6-bottle kit with discounts. Thank you so much for watching till here, and see you guys tomorrow.